Hello, I'm Kimberly Bishop with the Bishop Law Firm. The Bishop Law Firm represents auto accident injury cases in Raleigh, Cary, Durham, and surrounding areas in North Carolina. This video discusses what to do if you have been injured in an auto accident that was not your fault. After you have this accident, and if you have sustained injuries, you want to, as soon as possible, immediately would be best, go seek medical treatment. If you are in pain, it is your body's way of telling you that something is not right. So if you are having any pain after a motor vehicle accident, you do need to seek medical treatment. So, you go and you get medical treatment, but you may still be having pain from the accident, and if you are, you may miss time from work. So the question, pops into your mind, who is going to pay for me missing time from work? I'm going to get behind on my bills. Who is going to pay for this medical treatment? Who's going to pay for that emergency room visit to find out, what was going on with me? So in North Carolina, the at-fault party is responsible for your medical expenses. They also can reimburse you for your lost wages, pain and suffering. I mean, there are different things that you can recover against the at-fault party. So it's really the at-fault party's insurance company that you are dealing with, not the actual driver. So, after all this, the dust kind of settles, you do want to go ahead and file a claim with the at-fault insurance company. You want to file a claim with them. After you file this, there's two different types of claims you may have. You may have a property damage claim. If your vehicle was damaged, you have a property damage claim, and then if you sustained any injury yourself, you're going to have a personal injury case, or what I'm calling it in this video is an auto accident injury case. Okay, and two different adjusters are going to work on those claims for you. All right. So, but in all intents and purposes of this video, I'm just going to talk about the personal injury claim and that particular adjuster, how those cases usually go. So this adjuster is going to call you. They may want you to fill out some forms. They may want to take a recorded statement from you. A recorded statement is when, they ask you a series of questions and you answer those questions, usually over the telephone, and it is recorded. I mean, opinions vary as to if you should do a recorded statement or not. Even in the legal community, there's not a real consensus as to if you should agree to do a recorded statement with the adjuster. I mean, I am of the opinion that if you don't speak to the adjuster at all, if you refuse to speak to them, there's no way that they're going to pay your accident claim because they don't know anything about the claim. So some interaction with them obviously is necessary if you want to get your claim paid. Now, do you need to give them a recorded statement? I mean, I think everything should be looked at on a case-by-case basis. So you go through all of this, you talk to the adjuster, you may or may not do the recorded statement with them, and they're either going to accept liability or they are going to deny liability. So if they accept liability, that means that they have agreed that their driver that they insured is at fault, and they will pay for your medical expenses. But that does not, they can still pick and choose certain things they're going to pay for and certain things they're not going to pay for. They're also not going to inform you of all the different ways or things that you can recover for against them. That they're not going to do that because they are the insurance company, and it is in their best interest to pay out as little money as possible. Okay. So on the flip side of that, they may totally deny your claim against them and basically say that their driver was not at fault, or they'll just try to say that they shouldn't have to pay for medical expenses or anything like that that you need. So I mean, at that point, you really need to contact a North Carolina auto injury attorney, because you need to speak with them about the next steps that you need to take. I mean, especially if you are missing work, if they totaled your car. I mean, a lot of things, you need to try to get reimbursement for them. And just allowing the insurance company to process your claim, I mean, that is not going to maximize your claim, not at all, because the insurance company wants to pay as little as possible. Insurance companies make money by collecting premiums. They do not get money by paying claims. I mean, that's just unfortunately common sense. So if you have been injured in an automobile accident in Raleigh, Cary, Durham, surrounding areas in North Carolina, give us a call today. We would love to discuss your case with you. 919-615-3095.